Hello students, how are you all? Yes, today our subject is English and we have started revision also of lesson 7 revision. Grandma Mason, do you remember? We have done reading, we have learned, we have revised hard words and many of them were giving answers also. So they have learned also. They have completed in your fair book also. Okay children? So today also we will revise. But what we will revise today? Let us see. Okay? What we will revise? Let us see. See, we will revise meanings. Then we will revise fill in the blanks, true or false, give one word and question answers. These all revision we will do today. We will revise meanings, fill in the blanks, true or false, give one word and question answer. Okay children? So you all are ready to do revision? Yes. I hope you all are doing. You all know meanings. You have learned hard words also. So today we will do fill in the blanks, true or false, give one word and we will also do question answers also. Okay children? So see wonder, meanings. Number 1 is wonder. You all know wonder. Wonder is curiosity. Wonder, curiosity. 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 Learn well. Wonder, curiosity. Always, at all times. Always, at all times. Riches, to, come, to. Cucumber. Cucumber, you all know, no? Cucumber, grandma brought cucumber. It is a vegetable. Okay. So, cucumber, a vegetable. See the spelling. vegetable. Vegetable. Number 5 is raining. 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 Raining, to rain. You all have done this. I hope you all have revised also, learned also. Learn the spelling of this, curiosity, all the spellings. Okay children? So it will be very easy for you to read the lesson also and understand it properly. Okay children? So now we will do fill in the blanks. First we will do one by one all the fill in the blanks. Then we will revise it all at once. Okay? So are you ready? Very good. See number 1. Grandma goes to the dash. Now you all know how to read. Okay? This is revision. So you know the reading also. So first read the sentence. Grandma goes to the, where she goes? Do you remember? Where grandma goes? Grandma goes to the market. Very good, those who have answered. Now see the spelling of market. M-A-R-K-E-T. Market. M-A-R-K-E-T. Market. Learn well. She goes to the market, no? To buy a packet of bread and butter. Yes, very good. Those who are answering. Number 2. See number 2. Grandma forgets her dash at the shop. You all know, no? Grandma was forgetful. So what she forgets at the shop? Grandma forgets her, very good, umbrella. BRELLA. Umbrella at the shop. Grandma forgets her umbrella at the shop. Okay, children? You all know this. Grandma forgets her umbrella at the shop. Now see number 3. Grandma always, see there is a blank, things. Grandma always, what she all times, what she do? Yes, very good. Grandma always forgets things. Very good. She don't remember. She always forget. Every time she forgets. Okay? So, Grandma always forgets things. FORGETS. Forgets. Remember this answer. Number 4. To remember. What is to remember? I told you not to remember. Yes. To remember is the opposite of to. What is the opposite of remember? Grandma? We remember. Grandma? Very good. Forget. 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 To remember is the opposite of to forget. See the spelling. REMEMBER. Remember, forget. I told you to remember the answer, but Grandma is forgetting her things. Okay, children? Very good. Number 5. See, the things that you buy at a grocer's shop are called, what we call grocer shop? What is there in grocer shop? Things we called grocery. See the spelling. GROCERY. Grocery. The things that you buy at a grocer shop are called grocery. Very good. All are doing. Yes. Now say at once. All we will do a fill in the blanks all together. Now you have to give me answer. Are you ready? So first read it and then give answer. Okay. Grandma goes to the, very good, market. See, learn spelling very well. MARKET, market. Okay. Grandma goes to the market. Grandma forgets her, what she forgets? Umbrella at the shop. Grandma forgets her umbrella at the shop. Very good. Number 3 is Grandma always. What she always? See here. See on the screen. Grandma always forgets things. Yes. She was an old lady, so she always forgets things. Grandma always forgets things. Number 4 is to remember is the opposite of to. Just now I told you in revision. Who have remembered this? Who knows this answer? To remember is the opposite of to forget. Okay, children? Number 5. The things that you buy at a grocer's shop are called, what we call things at grocer's shop? The things that you buy at a grocer's shop are called grocery. 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 Very good. You all are doing well. learn this fill in the blanks. If you have not completed in fair book, then complete it well with good handwriting. Okay, children? Now see true or false. If the sentence is correct, you have to write true. If the sentence is wrong, you have to write false. Okay? Now see number 1. Grandma goes to the picnic. Grandma goes to the picnic. Do you remember? Very good. She does not go to picnic. She goes to the market. So this sentence is wrong, no? So what will be the answer here? Very good. False. See the spelling of false. F-A-L-S-E. False. Grandma goes to the picnic. False. Now see number 2. Grandma buys bread and butter. Grandma buys bread and butter. True or false? Here she is buying bread and butter. Grandma buys bread and butter. Is the sentence true? Yes, she buys, no? At the grocery shop. Very good. So what will be the answer here? True. T-R-U-E, true. Grandma buys bread and butter. True. Okay, children? Very good. You all are answering well. So first read the sentence, understand it well, and then give answer. Okay, children? Yes. Now see. Sentence number 3. Grandma takes her raincoat with her. She takes her raincoat. See in the picture I have shown what she takes. Now you have to answer me. Grandma takes her raincoat with her. She is wearing raincoat? No. What she takes? She was not wearing raincoat. That's why she was wet, no? Yes. Very good. So grandma takes her raincoat with her. This sentence is true or false? Which sentence? This sentence is true or false? Wrong. Yes, this sentence is false. F-A-L-S-E, false. Grandma takes her umbrella with her, not raincoat. Understood? Grandma takes her raincoat with her is false. Okay, children? Now see. Grandma walks back home. Grandma walks back home. When it rains, she comes back home, no? So this sentence is true. T-R-U-E, true. Grandma walks back home. It is true. Very good. Now see. Number 5. Grandma Mason is forgetful because she is old. Grandma Mason is forgetful because she is old. I told you, no, while explaining the lesson in revision. So she is forgetful because she is an old lady. So this sentence is true. T-R-U-E, true. Okay, children? Now I hope you all have learned this true or false and completed in your fair book also. Now we will revise it all together. Okay? See, now you give me answer. Okay? Number 1 is Grandma goes to the picnic. Grandma goes to the picnic. Is the sentence true or false? False. She does not go to picnic. Where she goes? Very good. She goes to the market. Number 2 is grandma buys bread and butter. Grandma buys bread and butter. This sentence is true or false? Very good. True. 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 Number 3 is grandma takes her raincoat with her. Grandma takes her raincoat with her. She takes raincoat with her? No. What she takes? Very good. She takes umbrella, not raincoat. So this sentence is false. 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 Grandma takes her raincoat with her. Number 4 is grandma walks back home. Grandma walks back home. Is the sentence true or false? Yes, true. Number 5. Grandma Mason is forgetful because she is old. The sentence is true. She is old, so she is forgetting things. Okay, children, we will read again so that you will be remembering the correct sentence and the wrong sentence. Okay, number 1 is, read with me. Grandma goes to the picnic. False. Grandma buys bread and butter. True. Grandma takes her raincoat with her. False. Grandma walks back home. True. Number 5 is Grandma Mason is forgetful because she is old. True. I hope you all have understood this. If you have not completed, then complete this in your fair book also. Okay, children? Yes. If you have not completed, then please complete your fair book. This true or false. Fill in the blanks, true or false. Okay, children? So now we will revise. Give one word. See, give one word. There is a sentence. For that sentence, you have to give only one word. Okay? Now see number 1. First you read. Read the sentence. Understand well. And then give answer. Okay? So see number 1. A person who sells food and other things. A person who sells food and other things. Do you remember what is the answer? Who sells food and other things? Give me answer quickly. A person who sells food and other things. Who sells? What is that person called? It is grocer. See the spelling? Grocer, grocer. A person who sells food and other things. It is grocer. Now see number 2. Yes. A person who sells fruits and vegetables. A person who sells fruits and vegetables. You all remember this? A person who sells fruits and vegetables? Yes, where grandma forgets her bread butter. What is that person? What is that shop? Very good. A person who sells fruits and vegetables. Who is that person? Greengrocer. G-R-E-E-N. Greengrocer. G-R-O-C-E-R. Grocer. Okay, children? Complete this in your fair book. I hope you all have completed since this is your revision. A person who sells food and other things. Grocer. A person who sells fruits and vegetables are greengrocer. They are greengrocer. Okay, children? Now see, we are doing question answers, but in short we have to write. Answer these questions in short. Answer these questions in short. See question number 1. Where does grandma stop first? Where does, where? See the spelling, read it properly. Okay, where? W-H-E-R-E, where does, D-O-E-S, does grandma, G-R-A-N-D-M-A, grandma stop first? Where does grandma stop first? Where she stopped first? Do you remember? Very good. At the grocer shop. Where she stopped first? She remember this, Stop first. She wanted packet of bread and butter, no? So she stops at the grocer's shop. At the grocer's shop. Where does grandma stop first? At the grocer's shop. Where she stop first? First at the grocer's shop. Okay, children? I hope you all have understood this question and its answer. So remember the question and then give answer. Read the question first. Okay, understand it and then give answer. Okay, children? Question 1. Where does grandma stop first? At the grocer's shop. See now number 2. Question number 2. What does grandma buy from grocer? What does grandma buy from grocer? What does, see, she stopped first at grocer shop, no, but what she buys? She went to buy, yes, you all know the answer. What does grandma buy from grocer? See here, I will show you the answer. A packet of bread and butter. A packet. See the spelling of packet. We have learned in hard words, no? P-A-C-K-E-T. Packet of bread and butter. A packet of bread and butter. See here question number 2. What does grandma buy from grocer? Answer 2 is a packet of bread and butter. Okay, children? Yes. Now see answer question number 3. Yes. Here you have to answer in short. Answer these questions in short. In short only. Don't answer in full sentences. Where does grandma stop next? After buying bread and butter, no? Where she stop? We have seen. We have read in the lesson. Can you tell me? Where does grandma stop next? She stop next. Understand very well. Where does grandma stop next? N-E-X-T, next. Where does grandma stop next? Do you remember? Yes, you all are knowing this. Grandma stop next at the greengrocer shop. See here, at the greengrocer's shop. Where does grandma stop next? At the greengrocer's shop. To buy, she buys their tomatoes and cucumber. Do you remember? Yes, very well. So question 3 is, where does grandma stop next? So what is the answer? At the greengrocer. See, first of you have to write shop. At the greengrocer's shop. At the greengrocer's shop. Okay? See, learn this well. Learn to write the answers. Okay? Yes. Read it first. Understand it. Question number 3. See. Where does grandma stop next? At the greengrocer's shop. Okay, children? Very good. Now see question 4. See question 4. This also you have to answer in short. Answer these questions in short. Question 4 is, when does grandma first think about her umbrella? When does grandma first think about her umbrella? When she remembers her umbrella first. Do you know? Very good. When does grandma first think about her umbrella? First think. When she remembers her umbrella, that she has no umbrella. Can you tell me the answer? Yes. Very good. Those who are replying. When does grandma first think about her umbrella? You all know, no? When it rains. When rain starts, no? At that time grandma first think about her umbrella. Okay, children? When does grandma first think about her umbrella? Answer 4 is, when it rains. Do you remember? When it starts raining, no? She remember her umbrella. See, where is my umbrella? Yes, she wonders. Where is my umbrella? Okay. Question 4 is, when does grandma first think about her umbrella? So it is when it rains. When it starts raining, no? At that time she remembers the umbrella. So I hope you all have done these question answers also in your fair book. Complete if you have not completed. Okay, children? Yes, complete your fair book well. Do revision of this lesson 7. Okay, children? And prepare it well, learn well. Write down with good handwriting. Okay? Practice writing and read the lesson. Okay, children? Thank you.